Alright, and there's a Kitchener Terna. I like this one. And the Extraordinaire isn't here anymore, so thanks for watching. Alright, so they still have this. And this, Savoy House too, you know. Thanks for watching. Oh no, what is this? It's dumb looking. There's a Prairie. It's Progress Lining. Hinckley Sawyer. This new fan there, I don't know what that is. That's a Progress Lining, you know. It does spin. I saw it spinning before. Just want to get it going. There you go. There's a timber pinion. There's a steel. There's a Hinckley Vale. There's a Raptor Roto Farron. There's a Slot, Levon, DC, Ids, this one there, and that little thing. Is this the Ellipse? Alright. There's a Air Deluxe, there's a Mojo here. Alright, I hope I didn't hear me do that. There's a Cafe XL, Rudolph, Java, Torch, Lunaire, this big wave, light wave I meant. Aviation, and this thing, and a Spitfire under it. Thanks for watching.